Most people use K18 and Olaplex when the hair is damaged. It's not completely wrong. They just use them too late. They wait until the hair is already breaking, already damaged, already telling them something has gone wrong. By that point, the damage has already settled in. And here is the shift that changes everything. These products work best before you even see the problem, not after. Yes, they can help reverse some internal damage, but once you have true split ends, the structure is gone. No bone buildup brings that fully back. At that point, cutting is the only real answer. So the real power of the K18 and Olaplex, it's not in a rescue, it is in prevention. The moment you start coloring, the moment you introduce regular heat, that is when the bond repair should come in. Not later, not when something breaks. From the very beginning. Because when you use them in this way, you're not trying to fix the damage. You are reducing how much damage happens in the first place. Your hair does not slowly decline over time. It stays consistent, strong and healthy. After 30 years in a salon, that is the difference I have seen again and again between the clients whose hair holds up and the ones who are always chasing the repair. So what are these products actually do? Think of each hair strands like a ladder. The sides are keratin chain, the backbone. The steps are the bones holding everything together. That is what gives your hair strength and resilience. K18 and Olaplex go inside the strands and repair the structure, not the surface, the core. Olaplex focuses on reconnecting the broken bones, the steps of the ladder. K18 works more broadly across full protein chain, the whole ladder. Slightly different underneath, but the same goal, structural repair from within. For most people, either works very well. If you're choosing, K18 offers a broader repair, but both are effective using consistently. Pick one and use it. And this is important, neither of them are conditioning treatment. They're not going to give your hair a smoothness and shine the moment you rinse out. That is not what they do, but we'll come back to that. Back to prevention, because this is where most of you get it wrong. Chemical damage does not happen overnight. Every color appointment, every bleach session, every day of heat, it builds slowly underneath the surface. By the time you can see it, months of that has already compounded. Start bond repair the moment you begin any chemical service, before the damage has chance to build. That first 6 weeks post-color is the most important repair window. Here is exactly what that looks like. If you bleach or highlight, start immediately. Use it consistently throughout those first 6 weeks after your appointment. That is your repair window. Then move it into the maintenance. Every week, every other 2 weeks. If you're using permanent color or any other chemical treatment, the same principle. Start straight away, stay consistent for the first 4 to 6 weeks, then maintenance. Regular heat styling, keep using it once a week to keep the structure supported. And if your hair is natural with no color and minimal heat, moisture is your priority. Bond repair only if you start to notice splitting or weakness. You don't need it otherwise. Now, back to what I mentioned earlier. The thing most people get wrong, and the reason so many stop using these products way too soon, after K18 or Olaplex, your hair is not going to feel soft, not smooth, not silky. If that is what you are expecting, you will think it's not working. It is working. You just cannot feel it because it is happening inside of the structure of your hair, not on a surface. Bond repair and surface feel are two completely different things. Bond repair handles the inside. The moisture handles what your fingers can feel. You need both every wash. They're doing different jobs and neither replace the other. If your hair is quite damaged, the progress will be slower and you may not see a dramatic change quickly. But over the time, you will notice the breaking is slowing down. It will not reverse everything overnight, but stay consistent, give it a time, and you will get there. Use them right and your hair holds. Wait until it's breaking and you're always catching up. Start early and stay consistent. And if you're still unsure, just pop the question below. I'm here to help. Bye!